So, hi everybody, and once again, welcome to our channel. And today's reading is all about feeling anxious and knowing what to do with it. So, of late, many of you have written to me that you've been feeling extremely anxious, you don't know what is happening, things are difficult, probably at work, you have no work life balance, the whole situation of work from home has gotten a toll on you, and hence I decided to do a reading specifically for anyone and everyone who wishes to know what can they do at this point of time when they feel anxious. And again, I have 3 stacks of cards, 1, 2 and 3, and you can choose any stack which you are drawn to when it comes to finding a solution to this situation. So take a deep breath, connect to your higher self, think of the god, goddess, deity you believe in, and choose a stack of cards you are drawn to. So here I don't want you to manipulate or to overanalyze or think. If you feel drawn to a certain stack, that is the stack you're looking for. So as again, the answers are 1, 2 and 3, and the answers are beneath each of the stack. Take a deep breath. And now I'm going to open the stacks. The question here is, I'm feeling anxious, what do I do? Let us see what will happen if you have chosen stack number 1. So stack number 1 is the strength card which talks about, the message I'm getting here is probably you are trying to control a situation in particular manner, or you are looking for a certain outcome. So many times when students come for manifestation work with me, they always say, I want this to be the outcome of the situation. And I always say the universe doesn't work like that. It's great to have goals, it's great to have visions, but controlling the situation to make it look in a certain manner is certainly not going to help. So looks like you're trying to control the situation in a certain manner. You're pushing too hard for the situation which is giving you stress, and angels tell you that justice will be served, which means you will get what you desire, but stop pushing it, because once you stop pushing yourself, and once you start learning the power of trusting and surrendering, you will understand why certain things are meant to happen in a certain manner. So when you try to control situation, or what you call as when you become desperate, have you noticed that when you become desperate, things run away from your side and you keep chasing them? So instead of becoming desperate, controlling the situation, allow the situation to surrender. Now surrender doesn't mean give up, it doesn't mean give in, it doesn't mean forgetting about it. It means that you already given the desire to the universe and allow it to happen at the right place at the right time. Allow the divine time to show up. And that's what your third card, which is Archangel Michael. So I've deliberately used Archangel Michael here because he's the one who lets you release all kinds of negative energies, who lets you release anything that doesn't serve you. And Archangel Michael is telling you to make a commitment to surrender, which means he's asking you to pray to him so that he gives you the courage and confidence. He's asking you that he's ready to intervene only if you ask him to help you. So you can simply say this prayer: Dear Archangel Michael, I call upon you to lend me your strength. Allow me to commit to myself, my life and my divine purpose. Please clearly guide me so I can fully open my heart to every experience. If you clearly see the last statement, it exactly means surrendering, because when you ask the divine to support you, so surrendering means letting go of control and instead asking the divine to guide you, asking the divine to clearly help you and receive the experience what you are looking to. So rather than chasing, allow yourself to receive. And that is exactly what Archangel Michael is telling you. So if you chose stack number 1, instead of trying to control the situation, allow yourself to receive it and know that justice will be served. So if you have chosen stack number 2, here are your revelations. Okay, so your cards, the first card which has showed up is 9 of Cups. Now this card says you are too bored of sitting at home, you are irritated with no activity, no exercise, only eating and only staying at home, and that has made you a little redundant in what you're doing, which means you are doing the same thing, you're getting bored, you are feeling too much in your comfort, and that is causing you to get stagnated. Now the good news for you is, if you are getting stagnated and because of that you are feeling anxious, the good news is there is something which is coming up in your life which will definitely help you get a breakthrough. So probably whenever the situation changes, right now whenever you will be allowed to travel, you will be traveling. You might even relocate to a new destination. So if you are looking for relocation, if you're thinking of moving to another country or another city, yes, that opportunity is coming to you in the next, whenever it is the right time for you. And as whatever plans you have made, they are manifesting. However, now this third card says take your time making this decision, which means clearly decide whether you want to take this opportunity. If you've been looking for this opportunity for a long time, and if it comes to you, before that, look at all the pros and cons. And if you find it difficult to understand whether is this the right opportunity, what should I do? Simply say this prayer: Dear Archangel Michael, please help me stay strong and relaxed as I approach this situation. Remind me to detach and step back, allowing the situation to naturally unfold. Thank you for protecting me. So know that you are protected. And I always say that most of the times where you feel afraid, where you feel you don't know, surrender the situation to God. So it's exactly very similar to the first card, because right now we all are being asked to surrender. This whole situation, the pandemic, the lockdown has happened because it will teach us the value of surrender. We all were running fast in no direction, and hence we are now asked to calm down, to settle and to surrender to the greater abundance of God. So if you've chosen card number 2, know that if you are bored, if you are feeling stagnated, something new is coming up. Ask your angels to guide you when you take the new decision, and all that you're looking for will come to you at the right time. And that brings us to stack number 3. So if you chose stack number 3, alright, so you are booming with a lot of new ideas and you are feeling very creative at this point of time. You want to do a lot of things, but maybe you're not able to do it. This card also says, somehow the message right now I'm getting is a lot of pitta dosha is building up in you. So if any one of you have got imbalance, acidity issues, if you're feeling indigestion, if you're feeling heartburn or any kind of issues, please make sure that you modify your diet. Consult an expert, and I would always say consult an Ayurvedic nutritionist who would help you understand how to balance your pitta dosha. Don't go for Google. Talk to an expert. And a lot of activities are happening right now in your life, but overall I feel to let that creative side be better, you can you have to also balance the pitta dosha, and maybe take a diary or somewhere where you can actually go in for writing the things what you're looking for. The next card comes up which says that all of a sudden a lot of activities happening on your front, sudden immediate results will happen. So if you're feeling a lot of creativity, yes, it's all manifesting in the longer run. It will happen, and a lot of new things might be communicated to you. So maybe you come to know about a new opportunity or something. So yes, it's a good time for you to get new opportunities. Yes, even if the world is not doing very good, there are people who are manifesting amazing opportunities, and you could probably be one of them. And your final card is you are on the right path. So angels say you are on the right path, and in case you want more guidance on your path, connect to the energy of Archangel Michael and simply say this prayer: Archangel Michael, I call upon you now. Thank you for giving me loud, clear guidance that I can easily understand. And thanks for motivating me with the courage and confidence to make healthful life changes. Now you see the connection with the first card when I told you that connect to an Ayurvedic nutritionist. So probably modifying your diet will help you balance your energy, and that will help you create some healthy life challenges. So that was the card reading for all of you who are feeling anxious, and as every time I'm giving you one more access consciousness tool to help you deal with what you're going through currently. So the access consciousness tool is, who does this belong to? According to access consciousness, 99.9% thoughts, feelings, emotions do not belong to us, which means we are like psychic SpongeBobs absorbing every thought, emotion around us. And if the collective had so much fear and anxiety, probably you could be absorbing that. So simply say, who does this belong to? Is it mine? Is it someone else's? Is it something else's? And I return it back to the sender with consciousness attached. Now when you do this, you let go of this feeling and you not just cure yourself, but you cure everyone who is also having the same thing, which means if you absorbed it from anyone, that person gets cured, and he's absorbed it from someone, that person gets cured, and the origin just bursts, which means you totally feel yourself because all the excess negativity has gone. So next time when you feel anxious, just simply ask, who does this belong to? And simply say, I return it back to the sender with consciousness attached. Last but not the least, connect to the energy of Archangel Michael. You could just take a screenshot of this picture and simply say, Archangel Michael, please help me to let go of this negativity and this lower energies. We as a collective need to collectively raise our vibrations, and Archangel Michael can really help us with that. So I hope you liked this reading. Follow us on our YouTube channel, on our IGTV, and on our Facebook page for knowing more about us, and to book courses or one-on-one coachings with us. Connect to us at www.unicorninsight.com. This is Ashwini Chube, your personal development and motivational speaker, your life transformation coach, and your spiritual teacher, angel card reader, tarot reader, Reiki grandmaster, and access consciousness facilitator, giving you lots of love and light on this beautiful journey. Thank you for watching this video. Have a lovely time wherever you are.